We're about to try the most insane exotic fruits we could find.
Yuck.
Including one that tastes like pumpkin pie, one that looks like a dragon egg straight out of Minecraft, and one that actually turns into chocolate. And if 4 fruits score under 7,
Too much flavor.
someone gets punished. Mystery punishment, messy punishment. Yeah, this adventure is about to get weird fast. So today we're at Robert is Here to buy 9 mystery fruits and try them, so you don't have to.
Some of them are supposed to be delicious. Some of them are disgusting.
But before we dive into this fruit madness, hydration first.
What are these?
I don't know. What are they?
I don't know. Oh my god, that is so heavy.
Inside this bag, 9 fruits. 3 look delicious, 6 look dangerous. You'll meet them when they attack. Every test needs an arena, and this one is alive. So if you're gonna try dragon eggs and alien pods, you need a place this wild. Welcome to the Everglades.
We came in the Everglades Park and found the perfect bench right by the lake. It's our official fruit testing headquarters. No one is allowed here. Best picnic spot ever. But before we start, there's a twist. If it scores less than 7, we have to take our ridiculous punishment. And trust me, by the end of this video, someone is gonna regret signing up for this.
We are starting with this one. It's called mamey sapote.
Okay guys, we're gonna start something that looks like a coconut, but tastes like dessert. I'm ready, bring on the dessert fruit. Come on daddy, cut it open. Look at that seed. Ew, it smells like Thanksgiving and summer at the same time, but it still smells bad. Look at this seed. 3, 2, 1.
Bite 1, creamy dream.
Thumbs up?
I rated 7.
I rated 10,120 million. Let me try one more time.
If the desserts grow on tree, this would be it.
Bite 2, betrayal. Thumbs up to thumbs down in 3 seconds.
Tuh. Yuck.
Mamey sapote. Dessert turned disaster. Twice.
Our first fruit is done. The next one is the dragon fruit.
So how does this look like?
Looks like a dragon egg.
A huge ball with spike.
If it hatches, we're in trouble.
Look inside this dragon fruit. It's purple.
You're going first?
Yep.
Okay.
Sweet, but not scary. I think the dragon spared me.
If I had 3 hands, I would have 24,000 thumbs up. I'll give it 10 out of 12.
I'll give it 10 out of 10.
10 out of 12. You got to try this. It's really good.
Your turn. Dragon egg or candy stick? Which would you try first? Drop it in the comments.
Do you know that this fruit grows on cactus and actually it flowers only at night? And it's packed with vitamin C, so it's great for the body.
We need to buy more of these.
That's right.
We need to buy
All
12 more.
Yes,
So we have very much of a vitamin C.
that's right.
We survived the dragon fruit. Now this one holds a secret inside. 3, 2, 1. No secret.
There is a secret.
Let's see what's in there.
You see? It has all these. See?
Oh. This is called tropical cornito or star apple. It tastes like a tropical marshmallow.
It's very creamy. It really tastes like a pudding.
I give the tropical carmito.
Half and half, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So a 5?
A 5 out of 0. Okay, it's time for the most sour thing in the world. Meat tamarinds. And I know how to open one of these. Just squeeze them. They are very sour. Inside the shell is a sticky fruit, like nature's candy. But it's like a candy bar, but made out of a tree. I give it 1 out of 0.
Ooh.
What do you give it?
Ooh. I give it a 3.
This is disgusting. I'll give it 1 out of 0. After all that sour, it's time to eat something sweet and simple. Meat Thai bananas. Good. It smells like a banana milkshake. It's so soft. It feels fluffier than a regular banana. Here, you try.
Okay. They're really rich in flavor.
I give them a 2 million.
I'll give them an 8.
Our next fruit is a jackfruit, but this is just a smaller part of the whole fruit. It's the largest fruit which grows on the tree, and it can weigh up to 80 pounds. The skin looks like a giant spiky football.
Sharp.
It tastes like poop dirt.
Let's say I was expecting a bit more.
Disgusting. This next fruit is not big, but it might just be the sweetest. Scald.
Okay, fruit detectives, what do you think this one's really called? Drop your guess in the comments.
It's orange inside. Ew. It's 10 times smaller than my head.
It looks like a tomato, and it actually smells like one.
Too much flavor.
It's pretty bad.
Next up, you're about to find out where the real chocolate comes from. You might know chocolate bars, but did you know they start inside a giant, colorful fruit called a cacao pod? I think MrBeast put a Feastable inside.
This white pulp is where chocolate begins.
What?
Wild, right?
MrBeast hidden something. Inside, it's a total surprise. It's actually pretty good. I will give it. This one is 10 out of 11. These seeds get roasted and turned into chocolate later. But the white fruit itself, it's sweet and tropical.
Chocolate inside the seeds. It tastes really good. I would give it a 9 out of 10.
Final one, Asian guava. Fruit looks crunchy like an apple, juicy like a pear, and smells like a tropical garden. And guess what? You can eat the whole thing, seeds and all if you want. I'm eating only a little bit, just one bite.
Fruits under 7. The rule's the rule. Time to spin the wheel.
So we decided to take the fruits that we didn't like, put them in the blender, and make a mystery smoothie.
Basically, the losers.
I'm going to add fresh coconut water, a little bit of super seed trio, and a little bit of plant-based protein. And last but not the least, that's enough.
We mixed up all the disgusting. And now we're going to try this smoothie.
Theodore, come try it.
She loved it.
It's actually good.
Alone, they failed. Together, they worked. Note taken. Sometimes things don't make sense on their own, but when you put them together, they create something new and even better. That's the magic of teamwork. People, fruits, ideas, stronger when they're side by side. That was insane! These fruits were awesome and gross at the same time. And also they were, I don't actually even know what they were.
Ew.
Like that one. Nope, never again. Dragon egg, candy stick, or chocolate pot? Which one are you trying first? Or are you brave enough for the smoothie of doom? And this is just the beginning. So make sure to like this video and share it with some fruit lovers. And don't forget, stay wild, stay free, and always stay on the wild path.